Okay, so the next step is you want to attach a Goobric. So we went over the requirements for a rubric that you can attach to Goobric. And what you do is click the Attach Goobric. You can have recent ones and you can store them within Goobric, but I like to keep them in the folder with the assignment. So I go to my drive and you select a spreadsheet from your drive. Again, I keep the rubric example is going to be the one that I'm going to use here. So I will attach this rubric to all of these assignments. And while it does its thing, it doesn't actually take that long. It depends on how large your rubric is. I'm going to once again stress that you keep your descriptions in your rubric brief. I used our district provided rubric once, copied it exactly. It added an additional 2 pages to each of my students' writing. Therefore, I recommend that you don't ignore your district's wishes. However, find a way to rewrite the rubric and keep it brief, perhaps just charting keywords. Okay, as you can see in the background, there it goes, that now we have a Goobric link to the left of the link on the right. Okay, this is the link to the original student work. This is the Goobric link that now exists. And in here, what you'll do is you will click the first one. Always start at the top, right? And this will open up an entirely new screen. So now you have 3 screens open. You have your drive, the grading sheet, and here you will see your Goobric. And what it has is your student writing beneath. It has a tab for each of the categories in which you grade. And then here you will see descriptions or descriptors for what each score constitutes. And again, I kept it really brief. Obviously, you would do a different job than I would in here. And this opens up the screen. When I spoke about having 3 different tabs within your grading sheet, sheet 1 is your blank sheet. Your middle one has all your student names, links to both the Goobric work and just the student work. And here you will see in the rubric scores, you will see a final answer key once we're done grading. So that will be our next step. I hope then you are able to successfully attach a Goobric to your Doctopus page. And I will see you in for part 3.